Welcome to the Cleanster app. Here's how to assign your primary and backup cleaners. Begin by heading over to the Account tab and select Properties. Click the three-dot icon beside a property and select Edit. Next, click on the Cleaners option and then select Add Cleaner. Here you can browse through the available options. Proceed by clicking the Add button beside your preferred cleaner. Now, click this arrow to go back. You can set primary cleaners by toggling this switch. Click Yes to confirm. If the toggle is set to No, the cleaner will automatically be set as a backup cleaner. You've successfully selected your primary and backup cleaners. Thank you for choosing Cleanster for your cleaning needs. For more info, visit cleanster.com.